y'all rather die?
Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Is there anything that's worth more than peace and love on the planet Earth? Whoa, come on and sing it with me.
Sing?
The words relate to the key.
Key?
If it's a pattern, then just repeat after me. Life and death and love and birth.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got whatever this game is called. I forgot what it's called. It's a weird name. I think it's a Japanese game. I think so. I saw Corey play it, so why not play it? Now, I did play this game. I tried to, but I kept on getting distracted. So we're just going to start a new game. I literally did not even get through the first zone. I did not know what I was doing today. I just had to go. This is literally where I was at the whole time. I did not move out nowhere else. So we're going to try. Now, it feels a lot glitchy. Like, look at that. Like, I have 1,000 frames on this game right now. Almost 2,000, I think. And I still am, like, tripping. Like, it still looks a little weird. I remember somebody said, like, go through here. Yeah, boom. It's right here. Not this right there? Okay. All right, we're just gonna go right here. Turn back if there is an anomaly. Okay. How you doing there? You okay? It's in this bag of yours. Okay. Any luggage at the top? No? All right, we're just gonna continue. I legit don't know what to do. How you doing? You okay? All right. I guess he's okay. No anomaly in this area. I'm pretty sure it said turn back if there is. So is this like infinite, like? I'm pretty sure we saw him. I swear we saw that person. What the? I swear I just. Okay. What's good? Nothing's wrong. Hi. Hi?
僕めっちゃ楽しみ。
優しい。
お姉ちゃんが起きないから暇なんだ。いくら待っても。すっごく待っても起きないんだもん。
Think she's dead.
でもお兄さんがゲームしてくれるからもう大丈夫。
Wait, what game are we playing?
ゲームのルールは知ってる？
I don't.
ルールはとっても簡単だよ。
See something off in the train, turn back. Want to finish the game? Get to car 0 and hit the brakes in the conductor's room. There are no anomalies in the restroom area. Got it? Let me, I need it again.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Sayonara. Alright. So I guess we keep on going this way. Turn back if there's an anomaly. Okay. No anomalies in this area. Oh, that's just for that. Alright, so how do we know if there's an anomaly? What do we look out for? Yo, I'm kind of getting scared. What do these anomalies look like? That's okay, so yeah, he is right. It's a looping game. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, hell no, that's all. Oh, hell no. It's a little too dark. Is there a flashlight? There's no flashlight. All right, we gotta go. I'm already knowing how this is gonna turn out. That nigga is the anomaly. I just keep on looping. Glad nobody's in there. Wait a second. He must have to use the bathroom because this is red. This is green. Okay, he had to use the bathroom probably. We gotta look for something, I guess. Something's gonna like tell us that there's an anomaly. He's gone. I assume he had to use the bathroom. Just keep on going through, I guess. So I'm guessing we just gotta keep on going until we find something weird. But we also gotta be right, maybe. We're just gonna keep on trying to figure out. Let's make sure everything looks normal. Okay. I think everything looks great. The kid's not there though, so that's kind of weird. Y'all saw that door? What the fuck? Somebody's right there. Oh, hell no. Go back. Go back, Ted. Go back. Let me make sure nobody's... Yeah, let's go back. Let's see if we're right. That is crazy. Oh! The numbers changed. Okay, bet. We're doing good. So, we're on car 6 now. So, we broke the loop. Okay, she's still right here. Okay. So, we're gonna keep on going through. Back at 7. All right, so maybe if we go backwards this time. I'm scared. Somebody peeing? That's wait, both of them say 7. I don't know what to do. There was somebody peeing. Okay, there was somebody literally peeing out the window. I think we fucked up. Oh, 5, bet. All right, so we did good. We did good. We're at 5 now. I just don't really know 100% what to do. I'm kind of nervous though. All right, that's right. That's right. That looks normal. That looks normal. Everything's looking normal. I just don't know where the kid went. So we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep on going because everything's fine right here. We just gotta make it to 0. We make it to 0, we win the game. I think. Oh, okay, we did do good. We did do good. All right, bet. Let me close that. Yeah, we going fast. We about to beat the game already. Wait, he's up. Did I lose? Oh my gosh, we must have lost. We definitely lost. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, so we know what to look out for. If he's up, we're going the fuck back. Where's the lady? Okay, there she goes. Nothing out of the ordinary happened right here, so we're gonna go. I think I just saw the lights turn, so we're... Okay, gotta make sure. He's asleep. Keep on making sure. She's asleep. We straight. We good to go. We good to go. Right? All right, bet. See? We got this. Remember, we gotta be on our best lookout. I don't see nothing out the ordinary happening yet. She sleep still. All right, we're gonna keep on going. Yeah, we're good at this game, right? We're good at this game. All right, let's look at something. All right. Gotta keep on. All right, he's asleep. That scared me, so like I will forever be checking if he's asleep. Just make sure nobody else is on here, because if somebody else is on here, we're definitely turning back around. Okay. Oh, bye. Oh, shit. Oh, it scared me. Oh my gosh. Yo, we're about to die. We're about to die. We gotta get out of here. Oh, close the door, close the door, close the door. Let's go this way. All right. I don't know if this is right, but I'm pretty sure we was on 4 last time, so that means we were wrong. Okay, he's still asleep though, so. I don't know. My life is in danger, so. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that. Oh no. We're turning back around. I ain't liking that. I don't know how to feel about that. Let's go, baby. We at 3 now. Come on, we about to get to 0. No worries. We about to beat this game fast. Hey, she sleeps still. Looks normal. Looks normal. We at 2, baby. Come on, we need to get to 0. Thought I saw eyes. Okay, he's still asleep. He is still asleep. Probably shouldn't have our backs turned. Just trying to make sure ain't nobody new on here. Or no camouflage, no telekinesis people. I know y'all saw that shit. I know y'all saw that shit. Oh hell no. I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. That scared the fuck out of me. Boom. I'm the GOAT. All right, let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's find out we know something. You gotta keep on going. Just keep swimming. All right, he sleeps still. Okay. Yo, we finding anomalies just like how Spider-Man was. You know, you feel me? For some eyes too, just in case. We're gonna do another spin. We're gonna spin back around to make sure. All right, she's still asleep. Suitcase is up there. We almost here. We're gonna keep on going. Oh no. Okay. So after countless hours, I'm just playing, not hours. After countless minutes, it took a long time for me to actually get it back, but After a while, we finally got to where we needed to be. So y'all go ahead and get ready, because what I just saw next, I did not expect. All right, I think we're straight. Yeah, we're straight. Let's hope that we don't go back to 7. Let's go. I'm getting so nervous, y'all. We're so close again. We cannot let this happen. I'm just nervous. Let's make sure there's nobody new out of the ordinary just creeping around too. We look normal. We looking good. Looking good. There are 4. All right, we look safe. We look safe. We look safe. We look safe. Boom, baby. We looking good. We looking good. All right, let's keep on. Let's keep on. Tokyo. We got one more. This could be the cart. He sleep. Uh-huh. Let's keep. Yo. Y'all see that? Oh no. Okay, I was right. I knew I wasn't tweaked. I knew I wasn't tweaked when I saw somebody looking at me. When I saw somebody right behind me every time. I knew that was not just the game tweaked and glitched out. He's still asleep. Okay. He's going to Tokyo, right? Alright, we're still going to Tokyo. He's still sleeping too. Does he have his bag next to him though? Okay. Look out for everything. Now I know that the shadows could be some, or the reflections could be wrong too. My outfit do look the same, right? It looks the same to me. I'm scared though. Our bag is up there. You'll see that. That kid is right there. I'm gonna be so scared. That looks normal. That looks normal. That looks normal. That's normal. Those prices are normal too. Pretty sure we just... Okay, conductor's room. Ladies and gentlemen, we gotta do this.
本日は新幹線をご利用いただき誠にありがとうございます。ただいま当列車におきまして線路上での接触事故がありましたので安全確認のためしばらく停車いたします。運転再開におきましては現在見通しが立っておりません。本日はお急ぎのところ誠にご迷惑をおかけいたします。Attention please. We have stopped momentary due to an injury. There is no plan for the train to stop at this moment. Please excuse the delay.
I'm scared. Oh, okay, we must have passed because... Oh, yeah, we definitely passed. Waited. Oh, hell nah. Oh, there go the kid, okay. You good?
お兄さんすごいね。成功したんだね。キョロキョロしてどうしたの？もしかしてここが運転室になってるって思った？冗談はよしてよ。
We're only halfway there.
新幹線にはグリーン車があるんだよ。お兄さんなら知ってるよね。じゃあね、運転室はどこでしょう？それはね、グリーン車の向こうだよ。僕が0号車の次って言ったって？ 0号車っていうのはグリーン車の0号車のことだよ。まあ確かに僕の説明が下手くそだったかもね。それはそうと、いい？変わったことがあったら進んで、なかったら戻るんだよ。
Oh my gosh, they just completely switched it up now.
3回間違えるとお化けが来るから気をつけ。僕はお兄さんを
You make 3 mistakes, the ghost will get you.
ねえ、お兄さん、なんでなんか変だなって思わない？
I have. Like, why am I on this train?
いや、気にしないで。とりあえずゲームを終わらせよう。じゃあまたね。
I'm not trusting you, kid. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not trusting you.
ねえ、お兄さん。
My sister. Oh, that was his sister. I thought that was his mom.
あ、なんでも。
Explain the
変
rules.
わったことがなかった
On
ら
the green car,
戻
you'll
るんだ
find an
よ。
anomaly, go back, blah, blah,
3
blah,
回
blah,
間
blah.
違えるとお化け
One
が。
more thing.
僕はお兄さん。
3 mistakes, the ghost will get you. Okay, got you. Let's use the bathroom real quick before we go. Alright, I gotta wash my hands, y'all. Always make sure to wash y'all's hands. Boom, there you go. Alright, let's continue. The cart looks different this time. Okay. Let's figure out the pattern. 3 mistakes and we're done. So she's gonna be on her pad. Okay. Y'all saw that shit like me? Oh no, I saw that shit and I'm gone. What? I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Okay. This game is weird. Yeah, I'm about to die. He's gonna be like that. She's gonna be walking by. Ah.
お主、人間か
Me? Yeah, let's say I hope so.
我が輩を騙すことは、お主はスーツを着ている。
You can't be human while wearing a suit.
変だな。他とは違うようじゃな。それだけはわかる。して若者よ。列車の中で誰かに会ったか。それはいいことかもしれん。我が輩の優れた観察眼と。人生84年の
Yo, this guy fought in World War II. He fought in World War II, bro.
ここにいるほとんどの人は実際の人間ではないようだ。話しかけても反応は示すことはない。まるでロボットのようだ。
So these people are robots?
我が輩は人間を見ればわかる。つまり我が輩の結論は、スーツの人を信用するな。そうだな。
If you'll let me.
その前に。
Okay, so I guess that's a hint. Never trust people with suits. We got it right. Okay. Wait, this is different. The cart is totally different. We're still heading to Tokyo. Still heading to Tokyo. That was easy. I'm pretty sure, right? That scared the hell out of me too. I hope we don't get hunted by a ghost. Oh, I totally messed it up, y'all. I forgot you go straight if there is an anomaly. If there is an anomaly, we go straight. Right? Let's make sure. This way forward. No anomaly in this zone. Turn back if no anomaly. Duh, okay. So there they go, right there. I forgot, was that supposed to... So there is an anomaly. I'm gonna say there's an anomaly because somebody was right there that time. Wait, if there's no anomaly. I think that person is not supposed to be there, so there's no anomaly. Turn back if there's no anomaly. I'm pretty sure. Don't mind the cord. I'm him. I'm totally him. We gotta get us a new mic though. This mic is terrible. And the Tokyo. Wait, make sure this is the right train. Yeah, alright, this is the right train. Chick right here. He's normal. Wait, where's the... Okay, he's normal. Normal. Yeah, there was definitely an anomaly. Yeah, I'm already knowing. That looks weird. That looks mad weird. I was about to say. Alright, she's perfectly fine. Let me make sure his legs are not always like that. Yeah, they're not. Okay. I don't see no anomalies on this train though. Nigga with that. Tokyo. Okay. I don't see no anomalies, so I'm gonna turn back. You need help? I don't like how that was. Make sure we ain't lose the game. Whoa. Alright. Yeah, there's definitely an anomaly. We're going straight. What the?
僕たち生きて帰れると
I don't think so. Well, yeah, let's think about your sister. Think about your sister. What? Yeah, this is weird. 100% go straight. That was the clear answer. Like, just an overgrown tree. Alright, had to make sure. Alright. Alright, let's keep on going. We're doing good, y'all. We're doing good. Tokyo. Alright. Alright, he looked normal. Yeah, we might be straight. I don't like your green eyes. I ain't messing with that. Look like Loki a little bit without the dye. So as y'all can see, it was a lot of stuff going on. You know, I was failing a lot. You know, we had moments like this. Moments like this. Moments like this. Moments like this. I hope there's no eyes in this train. The eyes is... And moments like this. Go, 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 go! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't want to play this game no more. It's too scary. It's way too scary. It was a lot of BS happening. But I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward y'all to the parts that were actually, you know, relevant, where y'all don't gotta just keep on seeing a bunch of fails. You're welcome. Your boy got you. I don't get what was wrong with that. I need the boy to explain the rules. Again. I swear there was nothing wrong with that one. Am I tripping? Is there one thing I'm missing? Is it the color of the bag? I don't think there's none in there. His suit. Like that. Thank you. Alright. We got a lot more to go. Check everything that we need to look at. He looks normal. I know that's just a lighting problem. He's moving slow. I was right. I don't really want to talk to him. Just want to get this done. 2 times in a row? Maybe I'm tripping. We're about to find out. We are about to find out. Okay, so I know. Okay, now I know I'm not tripping. That is something. All right, yo, I'm locked in this time. I wanna win. Are they low key about to make this easy for me? It's not. Hold up. Yo, this game is scary and weird and broken. I'm scared. Does Tay even want to play this game? I know y'all saw that shit. Yeah, I know y'all saw that. It's like some liquid invisible crap. Yo, so there's a lot of things that I'm finding out about this train. Still going to Tokyo. I swear that it's something though. I want something obvious so I can like get this done. His bag is the same. I think this is the first normal train in a while. Yeah, first normal train. Alright, we were right. First normal train. This is Shinkensan 0 headed to Tokyo. Alright. Make sure everything right still though. If we get this right, we get a free round. I'm pretty sure. Oh, y'all better hope I'm right. Alright, bet we were right. Let's answer this guy again.
僕たち
I really don't know. I'm so like nervous, y'all. Free round. Where's the guy? Yep, free round. Thank you. Yep, and he's not there either. How is that moving slow? Gotta be part of the game. Alright. We're headed to Tokyo. Last time we were at this spot, we lost because of myself. So it don't look like there's no anomalies. It don't look like there are none. All right, let's make sure we're right. Last one, hopefully. Is this the dagger? Let's go, baby. I'm pretty sure we still gotta look out for stuff, right? We still gotta make sure everything's straight, even though we passed. I'm scared. Who's about to pop around this corner? Oh yeah, we won. So we won. That light is bright. Nobody's in here no more. What do we do now? I'm that nigga. Yeah, I wanna go on the normal side, cause like, oh, I'm good. I used to run a 2-3. Yeah, let's hurry up. Y'all saw that? Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh my. Please, 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 please. Oh my gosh, stop. Stop, please. I don't want to play no more. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I even got on the train. I'm sorry I even stepped foot on the train. Please. I should have just went to the other side. Yo, it's getting skinnier. Yo, I give up playing this game. I don't want to play this game no more. This is too scary for me. Too scary for me. Yo! No, they're slowing me down. My nerves are so much calmer, bro. Y'all got me playing these horror games, bro. This is not even that scary, but I got scared that I might die. All right, looks like we came to a stop. Open the door, please. Oh, okay.
お兄さん来たんだね。
What took me
待って
so
たよ。
long?
あ、お姉ちゃん起きたんだね。直樹、無事でよかった。お兄さん、僕はそうだ。お兄さんも一緒に。
Yeah, I know we did too.
来ない方がいいと思います。
What do you mean?
なんだか私たちに何が起こったか分かった気。心配しないでください。私たちは大丈夫です。それよりもう私たちは行きますね。
I do.
本当にありがとうございました。
Arigatou gozaimasu.
さようなら。
Sayonara. All right. What does that mean for me now? Oh God.
気がつきましたか。あなたは床に倒
Oh
れていた
God.
んですよ。目が覚めてよかったです。運よくお医者様が乗っていたんですよ。
You were here the whole time? Oh, that's the guy getting the suitcase.
静脈血栓塞栓症でした。いわゆるエコノミー症候群ですね。体を横にして足を上げることで良くなったようです。
本当に良かったですね。この方は命の列車が止まっているせいで救急車を呼ぶこともできなくて最悪の場合も考えられたんですよ。数分前に起きた人身事故です。その事故でこの列車はしばらく止まっているんです。
Where were you the whole time? Oh wait, you were here.
失礼します。業務事故には若い女性と少年が巻き込まれていることが確認されました。
Wait a second. So those people died? Did they die? Or were they the reason why all this was happening? Yo, you might want to get off the train tracks. Why are y'all on the train tracks? Okay. They're fine, I guess. That's the end. Okay, safety use on YouTube. All right, I had to make sure we passed the game. That's our first game. That's our first game we passed, bro. Yo, we passed it. Hey, that was a fun game. We're gonna play some more by the same people, the Chilla Arts LLC. We're gonna play some more games by Chilla Arts. So y'all make sure to like, subscribe, show some much support. We passed the game and we made it out alive and in pieces, or well, in one piece, not in pieces. One piece. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. I'll see y'all in more gaming videos because these are fun.
We made it off the train today. We made it off the train today. The train today. The train today. Corey Kitchen on the game. Why I say Corey Kitchen name? Corey Kitchen in the game. Why say his name? We done made it out the train. We done made it out the train. Yeah, this shit's insane. Yeah, this shit's insane. I done been through the motions, been through the waves, seen all the weird things that I could say. Lady on the laptop, bitch push a cart, and I seen a nigga with his eyes glow in the dark. His eyes was green. His eyes was green. And she had snacks right in between. That funky cart. That funky cart. Don't get me started. I made my way through the train. I made my way through. Through the train. Through the train. Through the train. And through the train. Through the train. Through the train. Through the train. Through the train, through the train, through the train, through the train, through the train. By myself, I was by myself. I was by myself. Seen that bald ass nigga try to get his bag off the top shelf. Off the top shelf. Nope.